welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel and today we are going to be making pilau, my son's favorite. So let's get the meat. Okay, it's very cold though it has been out of the fridge. Yeah, so we're not using all the meat, so we chop it into very tiny pieces so it can get ready and very soft for the baby to eat. Okay, so you can see I'm chopping them into really tiny pieces and small squares to make it fun to eat. So we put it in the pan, and then put some salt, yeah, until the God still eats enough, then some water and put it to boil.
Baraka, sit. You hold down.
So while it's boiling, you can start chopping everything you're going to put in it, onions, tomatoes, whatever you're going to put in it. But then because this is for a baby, tomatoes and onions are just okay for me. Okay, so we're going to chop the tomatoes. Please let me know what else do you chop, what else do you add to your pilau and all that. But then for me, I normally only put this, or I put some ginger, but because it feels bitter for the baby, we're not going with that. Yeah, so you can see, chop the tomatoes into very tiny pieces so it can be juicy and all that. Voila, it has boiled and it's now out of the water, is all drained out. So we just add some oil into this pan. Yeah, or you can add oil while it's still boiling, but I prefer to add the oil at this moment. Yeah, the meat looks really little, but anyways, we're only two, me and the baby, eating this food. So yeah, you can see, yeah, I added some more oil because the oil I had put was little. So we keep doing that pan frying thing with the meat. You let it fry until you can see all the water from the meat is being drained out in the oil and the meat is getting more brown. So we do that for a while before we add onions to it, and then we mix and allow the onions to fry in the oil until they're golden brown. Then we add the tomatoes at this point. You can see, yeah, you don't need to burn the onions, just brown and then add the tomatoes into it. Yeah, like that. Okay, then you mix the tomatoes into it. We can barely see what's happening because of, what do we call that, steam. Yeah, so you mix, cover the tomatoes to give it, sorry, I was using the wrong cover the tomatoes to let it bring that soup. Wow, you can now see it's soft and it has produced more juice. So we mix, you can see now that onions are totally brown and the tomatoes are really soft. Yeah, so we add pilau masala. That's the only ingredient we're going to use while making this pilau for the baby. So we add some bit of pilau masala and mix. Now the whole house is smelling, yeah, and the baby is excited because we are going to have pilau, like it's one of his favorite. Okay, so it wasn't enough, I added just a little bit more to it, and now we're adding 1 cup of rice. And remember, the ratio of rice to water is always 1 to 2. So 1 cup of rice means 2 cups of water, the same cup used for rice. Okay, yeah, and you measure your rice at the level of the water. So you mix the rice and then add water to it, just like we said, 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Okay, so we have added water. We just mix a bit. I normally don't test food before it's ready, so we just believe that God told us to put enough salt and we move on. That's how we are taught to cook by African mothers. All right, so you can see now the water looks really brown. That means your pilau is going to be brown too. So we cover it and you do your other things. Ooh, now it's almost so yummy. And the baby can't wait to eat. He knows it's hot, but he really wants to eat because it's nice food. So I'm going to serve his food and feed him. Thank you for watching with me. Bye. Let me know how you prepare your pilau. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye bye.